talking just turns into screaming. And as I'm yelling over her, she's yelling over me. All that means that neither of us is listening. And what's even worse, that we don't even remember why we're fighting. So both of us are mad